everyone and welcome to the Ordering. I am Garima Garg and in this video I'll be explaining in detail the Central Vista Redevelopment Project, which is also commonly known as the Central Vista Project or the New Parliament Building Project. It is an ambitious plan announced by the Narendra Modi-led central government in October 2019. It envisages revamping the most iconic pathway, that is the Rajpath, which extends for 3 kilometers between Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate. But this project has led to the rise of many questions and opposition relating to its need and requirement and the amount of money being directed towards it, especially at this point of time in history when our nation is facing acute shortage of all facilities and medical equipments to deal with the novel coronavirus. But above all, the first question that needs to be answered is, what is this Central Vista Redevelopment Project? Let's understand. Central Vista is India's central administrative area located in the heart of New Delhi. It ensembles Rajpath, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Secretariat buildings in the north and south blocks, and India Gate among other government administrative structures and buildings. The area was first designed by architects Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker during British colonial rule. When the British realized the need to build their own city in New Delhi and decided to shift their capital from Calcutta to here, they appointed the architects to plan a new city for them, and hence Central Vista. After independence in 1947, it was retained by the then Government of India and became the center of its functioning. Since then, governments have come and governments have gone, but the century-old structures stand with several modifications and normal repair and maintenance. Until now, when the Central Vista Redevelopment Project is ongoing robustly and vigorously. The project costs a whopping amount of Rs 20,000 crores and includes a new common central secretariat to house all ministries at one place, new offices and residences for the Vice President and the Prime Minister, converting north and south blocks into museums, along with revamping the Rajpath. It also envisages a new triangular parliament building adjacent to the older one, which will not be demolished due to heritage, ecological and democratic reasons. The new parliament will cover an area of 64,500 square meters and will have the capacity to accommodate a much larger number of MPs than the current building, as India aims to expand its parliamentary membership by 2026. It will also have other future-oriented facilities which the current parliament lacks. The parliament alone costs Rs 970 crores and the construction work is being carried out by Tata Project Limited. Its foundation stone was laid on December 10, 2020, but the construction began only after the Supreme Court granted green signal on January 5, 2021, but with certain environmental and other riders. Before that, the Apex Court had restricted any construction, demolition, or felling of trees, citing its need to decide on all the pending pleas on the issue. As for the need of this expensive project, our Prime Minister and other government officials are often found citing futuristic needs of the country as the reason on various occasions. The existing Central Vista has failed to keep up with the growing needs of the country due to it being a century old. Our Prime Minister said, and I quote, "Over the last 100 years, several modifications have been made to the current parliament to the point where even the building needs rest." Now the question as asked by the opposition is that couldn't the current structures serve all right as long as the pandemic continues and the money be devoted to fulfill the medical needs of the country at this point of time in history? Congress leader Rahul Gandhi went on to term the expenditure as quote-unquote criminal wastage. CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri called it a grotesque crime and alleged PM Modi of squandering public money to feed his megalomaniac vanity. A petition being considered in the Delhi High Court stated that this project poses super spreading potential and threat and that the construction workers are being exposed to the infection on a daily basis. The centre in response retorted that this PIL was a facade to satisfy some kind of vanity in mind of certain individuals and that this was just another attempt to stall the project under one pretext or another. Following a heated argument on May 17, the Delhi High Court reserved its judgment on the petition seeking a stay on the ongoing construction amid the COVID pandemic. Another important consideration is that a total of 12 historical buildings will be completely demolished in the process, including the National Museum, the Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts, the National Archives Annex, Krishi Bhavan, Vigyan Bhavan, Vice President's residence, etc. In totality, an area of over 4.5 lakh square meter will be demolished. Keeping aside everything, the Central Vista is running in its full swing, as also suggested by the pictures which are being surfaced everywhere. The entire project is timed for completion in 2024, but the Parliament building will be completed by 2022, the 75th year of Indian independence. And once ready, it will be capable of serving for the following 150 years. That's all by me. I hope you liked it and found value in this video. Thanks for watching.